Today we are going to see a special listening process. You all know what it is? You all know what is this? It's a metal plate. And what about these things? What we call this bolts. So why you need bolts? When you have a machinery like this, so you need to assemble any two parts. How will you make it? Either by nuts and bolts or by welding. So one is permanent joint, other one is temporary joint. Permanent joint you cannot dismantle it, but temporary joint we can dismantle. So what is the purpose of temporary joint? We have bikes. You have seen the rod. Suppose if it breaks, what will you cannot weld it. You cannot fix it again. What we do, we go for replacement. So replacement in the sense you need to have an assembly. So you can take the nuts and bolts and then remove it and then replace it. So for that purpose we are having temporary joints. So all the temporary joints will have a. So this process is called drilling. So this drilling is a process of making bolts. We have a special tool called drill bit. This drill bit, we have something called as flute here. It's a relief for the chip to come back. When it starts rotating clockwise, it removes the material from the metal plate. The removed material has to come outside the hole. Otherwise, it will get stuck. So for that relief, we have something called as flute. We can, if you see the drill bit in the front view, you can see two things. One is 2-flute drill bit and 4-flute drill bit. Like that, we have different flutes. Okay. So the running RPM is 1440 RPM. Revolutions per minute. Okay. So this is the handle to give depth of cut. Okay. So when you how this process is functioning, always in woodpecker. A bird which makes holes in the trees. It will not directly make hole with the one shot. It will start putting several shots and it will remove the material. In the same way, you cannot do it like this in the one stroke. You have to start, come back, go again, come back, likewise, again. Okay. So, first thing you have to do in drilling process is you have to mark. Okay. You have to put a mark and make it a center drill. You have to keep one point, reference point. For that we have special drill bit called center drill. 60-degree angle. First you have to just touch it and then make it to the point where you are going to start the drill. So then we have to select the drill bits. We have size 4 mm, 8 mm, 16 mm, 12 mm. Standard drill bits. Now you can ask for this. Sorry, if you want 12.5, how can we go for drilling? When you have to make 12 mm drill, then you have to enlarge the hole by boring process. We have something called as boring. After this is not the final finishing process, we have something called as first we have to drill it, then there will be some burrs. Okay. To remove the burr, we have to go for reaming operation. So that reaming operation, it will clear all the burrs inside the hole. Okay. Then you have to go for tapping operation, that is called thread. You know what is thread? When you assemble a nut, you need some thread. Nut and bolt in the assembly, you need some thread. So to form the thread, we have to go for tapping. Okay. So this is the way we are going to make drills. So the dimensions will be like when there are two holes. There will be a center point for two holes. Okay, you will have some radius and you will have a center point. The distance between the center point is very important because this plate, suppose you imagine a rectangular plate that is going to get assembled somewhere. When the distance between two center points is different, suppose you make a drill, you make a hole and the difference is different, then you cannot fix a plate. So this is all about drilling. I hope So you learn what is drilling.